Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Kingdom Faithful Duels channel. My name is Miguel Fuentes, and today, well, as you can see, we had some pretty heavy rain a few days ago, and the water's up again. So, we're back at the Neuse River. So far, I caught maybe 3 catfish, one bluegill, and one pumpkin seed sunfish. So far, has been a pretty tough week, but I managed to handle it nicely. Um, yeah, something grabbing it. Okay. Yeah, something grabbing it. Something's there. Yeah, something's there. Something's really, really there. Something's really, really is there. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get another worm. Alright, well, let's go ahead and do our devotional. Proverbs 31 verse 30 says, "Charm is deceitful, and beauty is passing, but a woman who fears the Lord, she shall be praised." Now we know Psalm 31 really talks about a virtuous woman. And for me, I am looking for a virtuous woman to be my future wife. But it's going to take some time for me to do so, because today of a modern day Christianity has become more as a harlot of idolatry, and it has been difficult for me to date somebody who believes in the same beliefs that I am. That's why I am celibate for 2 years. Not because I don't want to be in a relationship, because I am very careful what I choose for a wife. Because I'm looking for a virtuous woman to not only to be a leader and all that, but to be able to help me to become a man, basically. And God is good. God is great. And I give God all the praise and the glory for what He's doing in my life. And I thank the Lord for who has called me into the likeness of Him, you know. And I'm very, very thankful for the opportunity to become different. And that's my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. May God bless you. May God keep you. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.